ladies, I hope you're all having a beautiful day. My name is Lilian Tahmasian, for those of you that don't know me. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing something that I've never done before. This is actually the second time I'm filming this entire video. Why, you may ask? Because my microphone wasn't working. Before I get into this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell notification button so you can get alerted every time I upload a new video. It will mean the entire world to me. It will just make my day. Let's get into this video. So why not? Why not just chuck on a wig and just pretend to be someone else for 5 minutes, you know? Let's play dress ups. So today I'm going to be doing like this more dark, sultry look because I'm wearing this amazing, beautiful lace front wig from Perfect Locks. So I'm going to show you guys that in a bit. But yeah, before I get into this video, I'm going to also be linking everything that I've used in the description below. So don't forget to go check it out and let me know what you think of this look as always. Now, before I get started, I'll go ahead and put this hair back because it is so hot and these lights are not helping. I feel put together already. I'm going to go ahead and put my Fasala Unicorn Essence all over my skin. I don't know what it is, but my skin, you guys, gets weird during the summertime. You would think it will get weird during the winter time, but no. Lilian's skin likes to do things that are quite different. I'm going to go ahead and use the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation and just apply that all over. No, it seems to be a myth, but every single time I have Nutella, I break out. Like, this is a problem. Does that happen to you too? Because it definitely happens to me. Once the foundation is all over, I'm going to go ahead and apply my concealer. I'm using the same shade, the same brand, just before I can pop on my shadows. Problematic areas. Lilian obviously had to get a pimple the day of filming. I just came back from a Pop Beauty event and we did car racing, which was my first time racing. Let me tell you, someone smashed into the back of my race car, and I kid you not, I feel like I broke my back. And I feel like my brain moved a tiny bit left or right. That was traumatic. So, and I was wearing a helmet, so that was a bit worrying. For the shadows, I'm going to be using something that I've actually never used before. Obviously, I used it when the first time I filmed this video. Other than that, I've never used it before. I was actually late on unboxing my Christmas PR. This is the Smashbox Christmas Holiday Edition, and it is absolutely stunning. And let me tell you, the colors, stayed on. They're amazing. They were pigmented. Love, love, love. This is what it looks like, and it has a massive mirror. Who doesn't like a massive mirror? Hands up. No one's there. I'm gonna go ahead and use this beautiful cream shade on the bottom of the shadow palette just to have that as like a nice base. This goes all over the lid area. If anyone uses this palette, let me know, because I feel like it is definitely up there when it comes to palettes. I'm gonna be using this beautiful brown tone just to, I was about to say contour my eyes, just to highlight the crease area. And I'm just going to slightly concentrate on the outer corner and then slightly bring it in. Slightly bring it in. Why do I have so much energy? It doesn't matter if this is messy because we're going to clean this area up. But just make sure it is nice and blended. I'm going to be grabbing this beautiful glittery brown tone. It definitely has a lot of shimmer and sparkling particles in it. And I'm going to go ahead and shade the outer corner once again and right under the crease area, and then bring that in. Also, then I'm going to be getting this beautiful rose gold shimmery tone, and I'm just going to highlight right above the crease to make it look like a very nice transition. I'll be getting a smaller brush, getting the same brown tone and just bringing that all the way, slightly drag this all the way down. It almost automatically makes your eyes appear larger, brighter and bigger. We're going to leave this, I'm going to clean it up as I mentioned before. I'm going to be using the Morphe Jet Gel Eyeliner. I'm going to be applying it with my Sigma Winged Liner in EO6. You guys, it is so black, it is so dark, and definitely long lasting. I like to start off in the middle rather than the inner corner of my eye. I feel like this way my eyes look a bit more larger. There we go, it's as simple as that. With whatever's remaining, I'm just going to go ahead and apply it to the waterline very carefully. Doesn't poke out your eye. It's the little things in life, you guys. The tiniest details makes your eyes go BAM! I hope that didn't scare anyone that's listening to this video with headphones. Now once this is done, I'm going to go ahead and wet my beauty blender and then blend the concealer out, as well as clean up this gunk over here. I'm going to go ahead and apply my Laura Mercier translucent powder before I go ahead and do my mascara. This is the best. Oh, that just gives me life. This is the best powder to set your face with, because you guys, truly, as a beauty blogger, I try on different foundations weekly and I just can't seem to get my head around how amazing this powder works. I meant powders. Now before I move on, I'm going to add this beautiful gold shade right in the inner corner, just to give it that something a bit extra. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and apply my Lorac Pro Lash Pomade Mascara. I currently do have a lash lift, so it's a bit more difficult for me to wear false lashes, but if you want, please do feel free to go ahead and wear false lashes if you're recreating this look. I'm going to go ahead and contour my face using my all-time favorite Smashbox contour palette. I'm going to concentrate on the outer corner and then slightly bring it in my nose and then the forehead. I feel like I need a bit more color. I'm going to go ahead and apply my Oh my god, it's getting a bit violent in here. I'm going to go ahead and apply my NARS Wanted one. I think I just broke it. I'm just going to slightly bring that in to give me a tiny bit more color in life, because I just might as well be Casper's long lost cousin. I'm going to go ahead and apply my Morphe, what is this called? Stardust highlighter. And I tried this morning, and you guys, I was amazed, because it is this beautiful fluorescent holographic highlight situation that goes on. For the lippy, I'm going to go ahead and use the Bite Beauty lippy in Chai. You guys, I'm not kidding. I wore this yesterday and I went to this beautiful rose garden museum place. I ate, I walked under the sun, I spoke for 5 hours like I always do. I ate, drank, ate, drank, and it didn't come off. I wore this, I think, about 2 p.m. in the afternoon, and it was about 9 or 10 p.m. and I was like, why are my lips still glossy? And it hadn't moved, it hadn't leaked over, because normally when I eat, it transfers to my chin. So annoying. Or the inner corners go a bit weird, yucky. This didn't move, so I'm just letting you know, if you want a lippy that does not move, Bite Beauty, I'm just saying. Now this is the final makeup look. What do you beauties think? Absolutely one of my favorites. I definitely do want to rock more dark, sultry looks more often, so that's definitely the goal. If I finish off this look, I'm going to pop on my favorite lace front wig by one of my favorite companies ever. The sweetest people in the entire world that you will ever meet. But firstly, before I do that, I'm going to just honestly tie my hair like this and just bobby pin it down. I do have very extremely thick hair, so this is better to do for my hair rather than plaiting it. So the hair that I'm going to be wearing is from Perfect Looks. I'm going to be linking their information below. I started wearing them about a few months ago, I want to say now. I'm going to be putting our first ever blog post with them, my collaboration with them, in the description below. Please go check it out. That was definitely more of a sultry look as well. And they were the sweetest company. I started speaking to them a while ago and I was just so amazed by their customer service, their great hair quality. They have the most natural, long-lasting hair extensions, lace front wigs, clip-ins, tape-ins. They have everything, and they truly are the sweetest people. They have a large combination of colors, cuts, styles. I actually recently got this baby, which I have showcased in my blog post previously, and I'm going to be linking my new one below as well. Definitely go check it out. It's like this. It was a tiny bit more longer, but I definitely wanted this like blunt, straight bob, long bob thing going on situation, and that's what we achieved. And I blow dried this hair, I brush it, and it's just like the softest hair ever, and it's 100% real. I feel like they've done a great job, and it's lace front, so what that means is you get a tiny bit of lace situation going on, and then you cut it, adjusting to your forehead, your head, and yeah, whatever kind of suits you. This one is called the 14-inch relaxed straight hair wig, and it looks like this. Absolutely stunning. People actually don't know it's a wig most of the time when I wear it. Actually, on my Instagram, a lot of people are like, oh my god, that's an amazing change, you did a great job, we're so proud of you, good on you, woo. And I was like, you guys, a wig. I'm going to be linking their information below, as well as a code for you beauty, so definitely go check it out and get yourself a discount. I'm going to be linking everything below. What I like to do is pop this on first and then the wig, but if you do purchase your hair, I believe it does come with a brush like this, and this is perfect for wigs because it is different. The bristles are quite different. It kind of goes all around rather than just spiky like that. So simple and easy to wear that when I was having the shoot at that rose garden yesterday, I popped on this wig. And I kid you not, I popped it on in like a minute in the public bathroom, and people were like, if they thought that I was about to like rob a place or something because I was changing my identity. I think they're a tiny bit concerned. What all these wigs come with is like a band. This is for your safety. It's for the wig to be very secure and tight on your head, and then it comes with clips all over. So this is what it looks like. The reason I wear this is because my hair is very, very thick. You can definitely not wear this. I haven't always worn this. I'm just wearing it so it can be easier for me to show you guys. What I'm literally going to do is I'm going to grab this band. I'm going to place the front on my forehead. I place the band all the way back, and then you have this, and I'm just going to literally tuck it underneath, and then it was literally 10 seconds. I actually wasn't chicken. I would truly cut my hair this short because I can go like this, I can style it. But I truly had so much fun creating this video. What do you guys think of this whole look? I just think it's so badass. I feel like I can do anything in life. You know what I'm saying? It's just so true. But let me know what you think. A big thank you to Perfect Locks for transforming me. I just feel like a whole different person, and I'm loving it. As always, I'm going to be linking everything in the description below. Please don't forget to go check out perfectlocks.com. They have such a gorgeous variety of hair. I feel like a beret can also do a really cute job. What do you guys think? I feel like I'm Monica Geller. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for always just being the sweetest people in the entire universe. I'm so grateful for you all. You have no idea how much I love you guys so much, and you all mean the entire world to me. But as always, please do keep on smiling, stay positive, and enjoy every second of your beautiful life because it is beautiful. Please do give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Most importantly, please don't forget to give that bell notification button a hit, because then you will actually get notified when I upload a video, and it will mean the entire world to me. Until next time, have a beautiful day. Bye.